How to use Klarna for Airbnb. Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Klarna for payments on Airbnb. It's a super simple process, so stick around. I recommend doing this through the Klarna mobile app. First, open the app and use the search function in the shop category to find Airbnb. It should be the top result. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to the Airbnb website. Now here's the cool part. You'll see this Klarna icon at the top, indicating that Klarna is integrated into the Airbnb checkout. Next, find the place you want to book on Airbnb, and when you're ready to check out, as long as Klarna is listed as a payment option, you're good to go. Choose the Pay Part Now, Part Later option, sign into your account, and complete the checkout using Klarna. It's that easy. Just make sure you've set up your card in the Klarna app beforehand. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.